এতিয়া বাহাদুৰতম গণৰাজ্য দিৱস উদযাপনৰ মাৰ্চ পাষ্ট আৰম্ভ হৈছে আৰু এই মাৰ্চ পাষ্টৰ অভিবাদন গাৰ্ড অৱ অনাৰ গ্ৰহণ কৰিব আজিৰ এই দিৱসৰ উদযাপনৰ মুখ্য অতিথি মাননীয় মুখ্য অতিথি ডাঙৰীয়া আমাৰ মুখমা বিভিন্ন বিদ্যালয়ৰ প্ৰাক্তন ল'ৰা ছোৱালী আজি গণৰাজ্য দিৱস উদযাপনৰ পেৰেড মাৰ্চ পাছত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছে আৰু পেৰেড মাৰ্চ পাছত নেতৃত্ব দিছে ABSI তিৰিচন্দ্ৰ মেধি তেওঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট পেৰেড কামাণ্ডাৰ আৰু হাবিলদাৰ দিবাকৰ ৰাও ছেকেণ্ড পেৰেড কামাণ্ডাৰ এয়া সন্মুখত তিৰিচন্দ্ৰ মেধি আৰু হাবিলদাৰ দিবাকৰ ৰাও This team is Salbari College, Saint Xavier English High School, Boys Contingent, Commander Olambal Bosumuteri, Flag Bearer Mizingsa Bosumuteri. This is followed by team of Salbari College, Salbari Girls Contingent, Platoon Commander Swapna Masari, Flag Bearer Ramjani Boro. This is Salbari College Boys Contingent, Platoon Commander Radha Secretary, Flag Bearer Konkon Torgiai. This is Saint Xavier English High School, Manas Basbari, Girls Contingent, Commander Sanya Masari, Flag Bearer Nonita Boro. This team is from Greenland English Higher Secondary School, Salbari, Girls Contingent Group A, Commander Angie Demery, Flag Bearer Beauty Boro. This team is followed by team of Salbari Higher Secondary School, Salbari Girls Contingent, Commander Sanika Masari, and Flag Bearer Jelina Boro. The next team is from Salbari Girls High School, Girls Contingent, Commander Mika Boro, Flag Bearer Udamsi Boro. This group is from Good Shepherd National School, Salbari, Boys Contingent, Good Shepherd National School, Salbari, Boys Contingent, Commander Jinku Demery, and Flag Bearer Amit Demery. The 10th group is from Good Shepherd National School, Salbari, Girls Contingent, Platoon Commander Sujamoti Kekateri, and Flag Bearer Barsha M. Boro. This is from Saint Xavier English School, Salbari Girls Contingent, Platoon Commander Sneha Boro, Flag Bearer Faisali Bosumutari. Next group is from Rupuhi High School, Rupuhi, Girls Contingent Group B, Platoon Commander Julie Demery, Flag Bearer Deisha Ramsiai. Followed by Saint Xavier English School, Manas Basbari, Boys Contingent, Platoon Commander Vishal Kesh, Flag Bearer Om Prakash Shetty. The next group is Salbari Junior College, Salbari, Boys Contingent, Commander Sulev Demery, and Flag Bearer Manjit Boro. This group is Salbari Higher Secondary School, Salbari, Boys Contingent, Platoon Commander Sumit Bosumutari, Flag Bearer Sanshuma Bosumutari. This is Rupuhi High School, Girls Contingent Group A, Platoon Commander Rimi Demery, Flag Bearer Padi Bosumutari. This is Adarki Forestry, Shalbari, Girls Contingent, Platoon Commander Sumita Gary, Flag Bearer, Ramjai Secretary. This is second from Adarki Forestry, Boys Contingent, Platoon Commander Mikishar Gary, and Flag Bearer Royal Secretary. This group is Doxin Bikini Adarsha Vidyapit Higher Secondary School, Southern Vita, Girls Contingent, Platoon Commander Sadna Ojit, Flag Bearer Janmani Nath. This group is from Greenland English Higher Secondary School, Salbari, Girls Contingent, Group B, Commander Sudhamshi Deimari, Flag Bearer Tonita Deimari. This is UN Academy Irpuri, Girls Contingent, Commander Dipanjali Basumati, Flag Bearer Sonali Goel. This is UN Academy Rupuri, Boys Contingent, Platoon Commander Akash Basumati, Flag Bearer Gigi Secretary. And the last but not the least, the drum party from St. Xavier English School, Manas Basbari, Platoon Commander Manjul Ali. So this is the end of the parade march past of 22nd celebration of Republic Day of India. Today we have witnessed a very gorgeous demonstration of parade march by the students of different institutions under the Salbari subdivision.